understanding, have a safe flight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase that you might hear especially when you're traveling. Have a safe flight. We'll break down what it means, when to use it, and some variations you might hear. So, whether you're about to take a flight or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Have a safe flight is a phrase used to wish someone a trouble-free and safe journey when they are flying on an airplane. It's a way to express your care and concern for their well-being during their travel. This phrase is commonly used among friends, family, and even casual acquaintances when someone is leaving for a trip or vacation by air. You can use "have a safe flight" in various situations. Most commonly, it's used when saying goodbye to someone at the airport, in a message or a call to someone who is about to fly, as a friendly farewell to a colleague or a neighbor going on a trip. It's a versatile phrase that fits well in both casual and slightly formal contexts. You don't need to know the person well to use it. It's a nice way to show kindness to even a new acquaintance. There are a few variations of "have a safe flight" that carry the same sentiment. Here are some you might hear. Safe travels, a more general wish that can be used for any mode of transport. Bon voyage, borrowed from French. It means, have a good trip, and is often used for longer journeys. Smooth sailing, while originally nautical, it's sometimes used metaphorically for air travel. These variations offer a way to mix up your language use and can be chosen based on your relationship with the person or the context of their travel. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of "have a safe flight" and its variations. Remember, it's a thoughtful way to show you care about someone's safety and comfort while they're traveling. So next time you have a friend or family member heading off on a trip, don't forget to use this phrase. Safe travels to you all, and we'll see you in our next video.